Hey everyone, today we're going to discuss mumps and all the important points you need to remember about it. Mumps is a viral illness caused by the paramyxovirus. This infection spreads through the respiratory route. After an incubation period of 12 to 25 days, the parotid gland swells up and becomes tender and painful. This swelling is usually bilateral in 75% of cases. Owing to this swelling, the angles of the ears get pushed upward and outward. The angle of the jawbone is no longer visible and might not be palpable either. The swelling peaks in 1 to 3 days, followed by a gradual decline over the next week. In addition to the parotid swelling, the viremia produces a low-grade fever, myalgia, anorexia, and malaise. Most individuals suffer from headaches and difficulty in moving their head and neck due to the swelling. Some other complications that can arise due to mumps are pancreatitis, orchitis, or male sterility, and meningoencephalitis. Mumps are most often diagnosed clinically due to their characteristic clinical appearance. The treatment provided is mostly supportive. To prevent mumps, the MMR or measles, mumps, rubella vaccine is used, which is a live attenuated vaccination. Some people still suffer from the disease in spite of being vaccinated. However, in most cases, the infection is very mild in a vaccinated individual. A few more high-yield points worth remembering are that mumps is communicable at 4 to 6 days before and 7 days after the onset of symptoms. Once infected by mumps, individuals have a lifelong immunity to the disease. The most common complication of mumps is aseptic meningitis, while in adolescents, the most common is orchitis and oophorytis, or male and female sterility. The viral strain used in the vaccine is Gerald Lynn strain. I hope this video helps you remember everything important about mumps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.